Hey traders, welcome to episode 414 of the show. Oh my god, 6 more episodes till 420. Oh my goodness, man, that's gonna be an interesting one. And then right around the corner after that, you got literally the date 420. So I don't know what we're gonna do about that, but we'll figure something out. I don't even know if I'm gonna be doing Jeopardy this Thursday. Maybe I should. It's just been tough, man. Tough finding time, especially these new static videos we're pumping out. Or I'm pumping out, whatever. Just, you know, time has to be managed. So I'm gonna try to figure it out, I guess. But I guess I'll have an answer about that maybe by tomorrow or something. So we'll see, man. So topic of discussion: ADA, really to BTC is the main thing, right? Why are we not done running yet? Well, here is my argument, based on some technical analysis, not philosophy or other things, speculation. Like most other people, well, they'll just speculate, right? Oh, it's this project, man. This project's coming out. It's gonna be real good, man. Okay, dude, that's great. That doesn't really help us on these charts that are primarily traded back and forth, back and forth. All right, so we're at the 382. We're at the fib node. We've just hit the golden zone, right? Have we not hit the golden zone? Yes, we have. We've not been able to hit the 50% or the 618 yet. So this has been your brick wall for now, okay? It's just been stalling for, you know, a little over a day now, which is cool. But it's beginning. Oh, it just looks like a bull pole, possible bull flag. Again, it could just be making a larger flag. Could keep consolidating. Could even run down to the 20, or excuse me, the 50 moving average around 1390 sats, which is, if you look left, some old overhead resistance could be used as support. I mean, maybe another entry, but just don't know with this thing. We would expect at least the 1725 sat range. Why? Not only is it the 50% retrace from your most discernible daily swing high to low, it is also, look left, March 18th. Remember that? Bloody Sunday, Bloody St. Patrick's Day before that. Oh, we all remember that one vividly. Green beer, but red candles everywhere. All right, so that is why I think we're just not done. I think we just ran up. We got overbought multiple times on the way up. Okay, we had to reset the oscillators, and now we've reset it, and so now we could be ready to run again. But when we do that, I don't know, because it looks like clearly using the 20 moving average and the 382 fib node as resistance right now. So again, there could be a little bit more selling off to go, but we're talking about swing trading and more significant time scales. It seems like we could run up to at least the 50% retrace before selling off. But even there, man, even there, you think this is really strong resistance, man? That's not very strong resistance. Hey, Adam is 85. Thanks for the sub on Twitch, man. Thanks for supporting the channel. Because people like you, I'm able to stream multiple times a day and now produce static videos and do a little education. We do educational live streams, but you know, most people miss out on it because it's like just somewhere in the midst of many hours of stream time. Okay, so thank you, Adam is 85. Kangs dude, Twitch, Monkey S Poggers, but most importantly, for you, dude, feels good, man. Feels good, man. All right, sweet. Got the memes out of the way. And that's it, dude. So 50% retrace, that's where there's only one strong or one little weak wick, and then you run up. Where's the next one? The next resistance is a little bit stronger, not much stronger, but you've got that 618 around 1935 sats, and there's just that March 28th low, or the second reaction low of the symmetrical triangle before the altcoin spring of 2018 began. All right, and so we've just got stronger resistance there. So that's like also within that is the golden zone, man. All right, the golden zone that we have markered right here between 1515 sats and 1935 sats. All right, so measured move though, if we hit the 50% retrace, we're pretty much hitting the measured move of the cup with handle or inverse head and shoulders, whatever you want to call it, man. It's pretty much inverse head and shoulders, right? It's like an inverse head, like shoulder, head, shoulder, double bottom. It's like the, you know, I don't know, it's like the guy had on like shoulder pads or something, the shoulders, right, whatever. So anyway, we broke out of that, and again, 50% retrace yields you near the measure move, and then we can just say TA has been respected once again, man, just over and over and over again. And all we had to do was use a little bit of coinciding variables to see it. Higher lows, momentum shift, broke out of a downsloping channel you had been in, my God, since freaking May Day of 2018. It happens, man. It happens. Momentum shifts, all right? That's ADA, man. That's why we're not done. And that's literally just playing into the topic of discussion for this evening, and that is Cardano. If you enjoyed the analysis of Cardano, if you enjoyed the nice breakout and reversal to the upside, hit that like button, that bell, that's up. Thanks for being here, everyone. All right. My bad. Dude, like my charger, like, stopped working. The one, you know, the wireless charger. So now I'm like, okay, I might have to go get my charger sometime during stream or not. I don't know. Don't know how long the stream will be. Okay. So, anyway, let's go to Bitcoin real quick. Bitcoin, hey, it's, yeah, pivoting a little bit, right? Again, those two rejection wicks ended up being, hey, kind of real for now, but it's not like we're showing any kind of real buying pressure. Okay. Not really. Here it is, man. From your low point to your high point, 50% retrace, 200 moving average. We bounced off it for now. There's ever so slight divergence, but man, just, I mean, from this low to this low. All right, so rejecting lower prices, probably because we were oversold, and you're probably just going to retrace. You could even come and back test at 39.76 if you wanted to, before we maybe sell off more. But we were just one fib node away, one block away from hitting that second target of that, you know, that trade setup we had where we were $5 off entry. It happens. But dang, dude, it's pretty accurate. $5, man, come on. So that's it, man. I don't really know what else to tell you, dude. There's no pattern developing. We broke out of that little upsloping flag, the really ugly. Remember, we made we compared this Head and Shoulders to the guy off the Goonies chunk or whatever. Hey, you guys. All right. And it turned out to be real. It was a real human. Okay, he was a real human being and also had shoulders, but they were just really ugly shoulders. And it broke out, but it has not broken out really as far as we'd expect, because I think a measured move, even if you went from this low point to high point, I think it might be probably near the 618. We could try to give it a shot and see. Dang, dude, we did hit the measure move. I think someone said that in Patreon chat too. Wow. Not bad, man. Not bad. Pretty cool, man. All right. So it seems like measure move of this chunk Head and Shoulders is it's played out right at that 200 moving average. So I think, you know, consolidation and maybe we leg down once more could happen. That's it, dude. All right, we March 6th, we said we would be running up to prices like up here, and we did, and now we're selling off. So, I mean, like, you can't really be like, Ray, that's not really good analysis, man. You're not telling us anything. It's like, dude, where you been, dude? Where you been? Okay, we have been telling you things since March 6th. All right, and not even about that. And not even like March 6th was it. What about down here? What about A and C? What about when we sold off and we made a slightly lower low and extremely lower levels of negative momentum and said, it seems like impending price action versus the upside, and we got it the next day? I mean, like, where were you there, huh? If we're one to say that. So, dude, we're just waiting for some more data here. Okay, it just broke out. It pretty much just hit a measure move, a very small little scrub pattern. All right, bouncing up 200 MA. That's it. Okay, expecting 618 if it's really to make the second target of the cipher. Sigly chat. Oh my god. I think y'all see too much of me every day now with these static videos, man. It's getting too much, right? What's up, Joshua Robinson, man? Thanks for watching, man. What's up, Moz? Devin? Can we do XRP instead of to BTC instead of whatever, the US dollar? Sure, I guess. Whatever, dude. You want. Is ADA doing things again, Dan Crowell? I think it's not doing things literally right now, but I think it's going to probably do more things based on simple support resistance. Okay, so Bobville, Jeremy S, dude, the Ravencoin Jesus man. You made your stripes with that one, Jeremy S, dude. Boom, gangs. What's up, Rick Schmitz? You like the static videos? Thanks, man. What's up, Moz? Eric Coffeen. CoinLink, dude. How you doing, dude? Coffee for crypto? Well, sorry, man. It's Irwin. It's coffee, or it's tea for crypto tonight. Again, sorry. Look, dude, I drink my coffee in the day and the tea in the evening. It's not a bad combination, all right? And I mixed up today, I ground up with Irwin coffee, the Ethiopian, the Indian Monsoon Malabar, and the Papua New Guinea or whatever. Blended all three of those together and just made it into some sort of smorgasbord or whatever you would call it of coffee. Awesome, dude. It's really good. So King Logan, dude. King Logan posts some really cool stuff in the Discord, and if you want to see, it's a lot of interesting data and information about Bitcoin, about things just going on, NVT signals, UTXO, right? It's NVRV ratio, market value to realized value charts, a lot of good stuff. If you're not part of our Discord, I think you're definitely missing out. A lot of really smart people in there, and if you know the conversation ends here and you want to keep it going, that's the best place to do it in Discord. So check it out. I think the link is in the description below, but we also have people posting it all the time, so be cool, dude. Looking forward to seeing y'all over there if you're not here, or if you're not there already, whatever. Loot Patient, hello. Nokia 60th, man. What's up, dude? How late are you tonight? Dude, like 20 minutes since I hit live, but only maybe like 15 minutes since I started, I guess. What's up, Shariba, dude? Should wear a mask of Elon smoking a J. Is there an actual mask of Elon Musk? Because maybe I would live stream that if I could, dude. That'd be hilarious, dude. Do a TA traveling stream. Quinlan, don't even know what you said about Potcoin, dude. All right. What's up, Canna Kid? How you doing, dude? Bandy Shill's in the house. Canna Kid, I'm glad you enjoyed the video earlier, dude. Okay, put my heart and soul into it, man. Okay, it's like me. Think about me with an apron on, baking a cake, but ruining the cake, but not really, because it's not really cake baking. All right. I did say in the video I don't do cakes. I don't really make cakes in real life, but it's a great analogy, right? One day in the year 2589, Cardano will actually do something with their project. Yes, dude. Yes. Don't you say that, Logan, man. They're going to come after us, the ADA peoples, okay? Miss Cantomo, good to see you, dude. CC. Just getting through chat, all right? Okay. Written down. Zachary, man. Nice, Rick Schmitz, man. Congrats, dude. What's up, 1G Project, man? 1G Project, dude. Gangs. Dang, dude. Just catching up. I'm almost caught up, dude. All right. You have the Papua New Guinea, dude. It's good, dude. It's all good. That's it. Yep. So there you go, man. It broke out of the wedge, but not, I mean, like barely, right? And now you're just retracing with Bitcoin, right? And you had what? What was it, man? The divergence on the MACD, not the RSI. But you know, you're just following Bitcoin at this point. All low volume stuff, Rudy Poo. We were talked about in the day stream scenario. We run up and back test the trend line that was once a support, use it as resistance before selling off again. All right, I still think there's a role to play with this little channel here. Just extend it out a little bit more. That's going to be resistance too. Two converging resistance points. That's not going to be easy to break. Confluence, the meeting of two rivers, or the meeting of two rivers. It's the definition of confluence, if you didn't know. Kangs. What's up, Peter Bob Morgan, man? Inspiring. Is that true, man? Thought I was just hanging out, man, just doing what I love. Doing what I love, hanging out with the best community that exists on the internet, man. Seriously, dude. Will TRX ever pop? Well, it did kind of pop. It did pop, but you know, it's like with Bitcoin making moves down. Remember we talked about any kind of volatility. Bitcoin really can mess with these altcoins. Okay. It depends what kind of breakout you're talking about. If it break out of the falling wedge way back on Ravencoin, Mike, no, that's not a big deal at all. But dude, talking about trying to literally buy Ravencoin at this point is just literally asking to get destroyed. The only reason why you'd make money is because you lucked out, and you keep doing that because trading's a numbers game. Keep trying to play that luck game, not using any technical analysis or coinciding variables, not giving a reason based on technical analysis on why you're buying it, just trying to buy a breakout because you're hoping. Dude, I'm telling you, you will never survive. You will not make any money. You will lose it all in the end if you try to play it like that. Okay, so do you want to trade, or do you just want to gamble? And do you want to gamble once and never gamble again? Because maybe you'll win, but I'm sure if you get a taste of victory from that Raven buy you're getting now, and if it runs up again, you think, oh man, this could work, this is working, so you're going to try again and again and again. You're going to get destroyed. Certainly will get destroyed. Okay, anyway. Kappa. Yeah, I know, you can't say it unless it'll show that stupid moon face. You're trying to compete against Twitch or something on YouTube. TA tour bus and tornado chasing. I would love that, but Billy, he keeps ghosting me anytime I bring up tornadoes. He's like, I'm gone, dude. Because I'm ready, dude. I'm ready to go chasing tornadoes, dude. Thanks, Justin Monins, dude. Appreciate it a lot. Sure, dude. We'll look at CND on the list. Found the channel yesterday. Thanks, JD24. Those are very kind words. Hey, man, you've only known me for a day, and you're already telling me you love me, Kappa? Not really, but thanks, dude. I really appreciate it. Feel free to check out all the past streams and videos I've done, man, and just keep on learning, dude. We try to emphasize on investing in ourselves in the stream, quality content, and relationship building. It's a very important thing, right? What's up, Easy Erie, dude? Erie every day. Dang, man. I'm trying to catch up with chat, so it's hard, dude. Look at C. Was that City? I'm trying to remember, dude. Yeah, Citigroup. Yeah, okay, cool. Midrate TA coin is officially teaming up with Inspire coin for the ultimate min pump. Oh yeah, is that true, dude? Oh my god. ADA, BTC, and Ethereum. Well, we've already looked at ADA and BTC easy. So we just finished really Ethereum, and okay, now we're going to XRP. This is the Easy Erie request show, literally knocking out all of his requests all together. Okay, you're welcome, dude. Sorry, XRP. Talk about inspiring, uninspiring XRP, dude. All right, still kind of holding some support. Wix, Chop. You got some more down here. You got a lot of it, actually, but dude, you fell out of the structure. Look what happens when you fall out of structures, dude. You run. And remember, we even talked about running up, back testing, and failing, still below all three moving averages. We had the bearish fanning on the moving averages, dude. I mean, like, it doesn't get much better than that to let you know where we might be going. Okay, so yeah, there you go. It's running down more. So, but in actuality, it's like 1 cent. We've lost 1 cent. Oh man. All right. Don't get fixated on XRP people. There's a lot of stuff out there. A lot of stuff. Okay, so 30.15 cents or whatever seems more likely, but there is a little support where we are now. Okay, and there is just a little bit of divergence, and you're right around oversold territory. That's it. Very, very low volume involved on XRP. What's up, Salty Dog? He said he lived in Papua New Guinea for 11 years. Amazing place, great surf. Love your streams. Hey, Salty Dog, love your country's, well, the country you resided in for 11 years is coffee. So many, I don't know, returning the compliments or whatever, dude. Sure thing, Mike A, dude. The TA Tornado, man. Oh my god, man. Well, I have to chase a tornado first to be dubbed that title. So, trying to figure out a way, and there's plenty of time still, I believe. You know, I don't really want to start getting into May. I don't think the tornadoes are as strong in May. April is really, April is the month, dude, the Kangage month. Okay, this one's kind of a good month too, but really April is prime time. Oh, dude, what I would do is I would not only live stream it, I'd also get a GoPro, and I'd like have it like a little thing on my head, and I would GoPro this thing, and I'd like go outside, and I'd literally be like, you know, doing this thing, dude. I'd be like taking it serious on the stream side or the content creation side, whatever. Easy Irie? Is it really? Because I've been calling him Easy Erie for like 7 months now, dude. My bad. Sorry. What's up, Femi? JD? Yeah, we looked at ICX earlier today. I guess we can look at it again on the list. Keep it easy, live it, Erie. Is it not Easy Erie? Because I've been calling it Easy Erie, dude, forever now. Cool, look at Monero, Billion Battles, man. Did you not see us look at it, dude? Did you not see us look at it yesterday? We devoted the beginning of the live stream to it. Oh my god, man, y'all are making it really tough. Can I look at Nano, Adam is? Yeah, man, I'll look at Nano first, dude, because you subbed to me. Thank you, man. Again. Nano Connect. Oh yeah, this one, dude. Yeah, we've been looking at this one, dude. It really just range bound, man. Wyckoffin hard. Did he say Wyckoff? What? Yeah, man, you got a simple support zone and resistance zone. We actually, on the way down, we started this, okay? We even had another one that it was like, just in case you held this support, you had something set up, it was very tight, you got stopped out, but then your next position was hit perfectly, you never got stopped out, and then you ran to the top and sold off. It was a perfect education opportunity. I mean, like this, just leaving it here, leaving it alone, all right? So, beautiful, man. You're just literally trapped within a range. That's the best way to look at Nano right now, okay? It's just a certain type of, you know, swing trading. You've got trend trading for swing trading, and then you've also got range trading, the two different types of swing trading, all right? So this one's beautiful, man. All right, you'd be waiting again if you really wanted the best optimum entry, 2,226 sats, and then the best exit. I mean, it's going to be around 2729, but you know, obviously there's a little bit of resistance right before it at 2655. So again, man, range bound, your horizontal lines set you free on this one. Okay, we can get rid of this ascending right angled and ascending broadening formation. And I mean, maybe it's still there, but whatever, man. Okay, that's it, dude. Okay, you break this, you're probably really screwed. Okay, you don't want to break this 22, 26, whatever. That's very bad for you if you do. Hey Femi, welcome to the Harmonic House, man. Welcome, dude. You got questions about harmonics, man? We got answers. Predictable patterns, geometry, history repeating itself. Kangage. Thanks, dude. Alright, so you don't want to break below this because there's very, very little support on the way down. So your best bet in the situation is low risk for entries, high risk for entries. And the longer you stay in a range, remember, the longer you stay in a range, the higher the percentage chance is of you breaking out sooner rather than later in that particular situation. So that's Nano, man. I wish there was more to talk about. Pretty simple bread and butter scope of vision here, I guess you could call it. All right. Okay, man. Okay. So let me know if that helped any. Adam is 85, dude. Thanks again for the sub on Twitch. All right. So it seems as though we're wanting to continue to sell off below the 618. Currently right now we have a 66% retrace, and that just means we could have farther to fall. You know, I thought maybe on XRP to BTC that 618 would hold, but shame on me for believing in coinciding variables at a golden retrace. I mean, like, you know, there's nothing wrong with critically thinking, because dude, these patterns do not always hit their optimum, beautiful, perfect entry. Okay, so now we're at the 1467 from B to C, meaning, where's that, dude? Okay, you know, 1414, 1414. You're right at it. So this could still be an area for entry. Not even kidding, man. Though you're at a 63.5. Dude, remember, you know, textbook, right? Case stubs. They like looking at B to C for their entries, right? The fib extensions, not so much the X to C retraces at 78. All right, so you're still not done yet, man.
Is that a joint?
You're still not out of the game.
I am the greatest TM master. Please like and subscribe. I was also on The Office. Don't like talking about my Hollywood days.
I was also on The Office. Was I really, dude? And if I was on The Office, who did I play, man? Was I Creed? I probably have been Creed, man. You're paying way too much for worms. Who's your worm guy? All right, something like that, dude. Thanks, Mitch Ray, for the 420. He tipped himself, man. Oh my god. Fake tips. Fake Kappas. Fake Elon Musks. He did not inhale. He did not inhale. Those people are in the same group as the flat earthers. All right. Conspiracies, man. All right. So there you go, Adam. And here you go. Whoever asked about XRP to BTC. Dude, 1414, man. Okay. You hope it's not dangerous, Storm Shade? Oh, it certainly will be dangerous. That's the whole reason you do it, man. It'll be like, hey, if I die, right? It'll just be like, that was Ray, man. It was kind of hilarious, but until he died, but it was still kind of funny because he was being hilarious up until that moment. And okay, oh yeah, well, he died of old age, man. Oh, dude, he died like chasing a tornado, man. Like, what kind of legacy? Pretty cool, dude. All right, whatever, dude. You know what I'm saying, dude. Have I ever covered quantum? Yeah, JF Airplane, I've covered quantum. I've covered so many coins. You wouldn't believe it, dude. You wouldn't believe it. Mother of God. Loom doing things, other things doing things. All kinds of things doing things, dude. King Logan, yep. The jack off on faces versus the Wyckoffs. Who will face first? It's a good question, man. One for the ages. When he gets back from his long journey, maybe we'll find out, dude. Okay, it'd be a good question to ask. Write that one down. Put that in my good idea folder, okay? Oh yeah, we'll check it out, dude. Oh, everyone's like, EOS to USD, EOS to BTC, EOS. Hey, look at literally every single pair. We're gonna name them too. See, look, you literally had Ernesto say EOS to BTC, then you had Razor be like, no, no. Someone earlier was like EOS to USD, and now someone's like EOS to USDT. What do I even do, man? Getting pulled apart here. All right. Just go to the Grand Canyon, dude. Yeah, good luck with the internet, man. I gotta find a tornado where there's really good internet so I can broadcast with really nice bit rate. Okay. Good God, man. I'm just looking for Jurassic World. The Office guy, was that Jurassic? That's not The Office. Isn't that Parks and Rec or something, dude? Chris Pratt. And that's definitely not me. Have we looked at everything on CoinMarketCap? Yeah, dude, yeah. OMG, yes or no? EOS DTH. Oh my God, man. All right. Oh, I know I'm not going to die. No stupid scrub tornado is going to touch me, man. All right. Just be in the right area at the right time. Okay. I really don't know what to do. My hands are tied now. All right, so still could be a good entry. A 1414 fib extension from B to C. Daily divergence still real. Oh, not really. Oh, dude, yeah, it's still real. We now have daily bullish divergence, and we're oversold. And I just don't, I mean, now the problem is On the MACD, the argument's not as good because the negative momentum is now beginning to build. So that kind of sucks, right? So, look, there is no certain thing on these markets, but you can't say this isn't a decent entry. And if it doesn't work out, just take whatever percentage you were going to put in, like only put in 25% in case it fails, whatever. And then one could wait till 78.6%, which is around 7,050, 7,065 sats. Okay, that'd be the 786 entry. You just gotta feel a little weird about this daily oversold stuff with triple RSI bullish divergence. 1, 2, now 3. Rule of 3. Come on, dude. Come on.
Is that a joint?
Can we take a look at AGI for the day, please? I'm Renard Min.
Oh, God. Please don't compare me to Andrew Bernard. Saint Bernard. Yeah, dude, we'll look at it. Mitre. Thanks, dude, for the tip to myself or something, I guess. Oh, man. Oh, God. So ugly, man. Okay, dude. Best of luck. I don't know what to say about the negative momentum building on the MACD, but I'll tell you this. From this low to now this low, it'd be here, right? If you look at it, this low to this low, there is still much lower levels of negative momentum, even though it's building a little bit. Dude, there's just no volume. It's just barely slowly bleeding out. Now, you are about to get a death cross, but remember, death cross, lagging indicator. This looks just so controlled and methodical. It's almost like, dude, it's straight up almost like the South Koreans are controlling this pattern, and they're going to trade the crap out of this pattern, dude. All right, that's what it looks like to me. Call me conspiracy theorist. That's probably my first one ever. Okay. South Koreans on Binance are controlling this thing to be kings. All right. So what was it? Oh, yeah. Sorry. Singularity Net or something. That influence, bros, man. Yeah. Tornado chess and fun, man.
Bad Influence Probes tipped $59.58. Tornado Chasing Fund. I'm in for this. We'll get an aerial live stream of you getting wrecked from a KGB drone. That's more epic than Bodie going out surfing Bell's Beach with Johnny Utah watching from the beach shore.
It would be awesome, dude. It would be awesome. All right. Hey, and I could wear the Elon Musk mask, and we could have our own 2019 Point Break movie. It would be brilliant, man. Probes, man. Thanks for the 59.58. Kang Edge contribution, dude. Much love, man. Whew. Been a long day, dude. Long day. All right, so, dude, that will be. It's gonna happen. Y'all understand? Hey, and maybe we can get Toby Keith or something, dude. All right, call him up. We get a cameo in our movie. What will we call it? Point Blank. And just have a Blank Man come out too from Cali with us, and he just ride along. I don't know, man. We'd have to think about more stuff with the plot. Okay. So, you know, this upsloping channel, a lot of education involved with AGI, man. All right, you know, the cup with handle, never quite hit a measured move of it. You kept on running, and then you formed a symmetrical triangle, broke out, got pretty close to the measured move. It was a little bit higher than we got. Triple topped, right, 1, 2, 3, and then sold off, and then formed an ascending triangle. And then we did, in fact, an ascending triangle, you know, the measure moved both ways. We hit it like the Jesus Men. Then we hit the 200-day moving average, and bullish Harami. Really arguable. I mean, 3 white soldiers, whatever. I mean, this one, this is pretty scrubby soldier, if you're to call it that. It's just like a bullish Harami, and then, you know, 2 more candles on the upside. So then bearish Rami, and then selling off, and then you're just bouncing off the 20-day moving average. It's not bad, man. Bouncing off the 20-day moving average. All right, dude, the trend is your friend, and right now we are quite bullish. But just remember how it all started for AGI, man. Very, very bad. I mean, 33.29 area. and we fell as low as 532 sats for coming back up. So, I mean, really hard to think about where we would fib this. It seems like up here, right? If you went from your high point to your low point, we've retraced to the height. We have not been able... Oh my goodness, man. You know where we hit, man? This previous huge run up, when it was our highest high of the whole run that started back in September 2018, we hit the 786, literally touched it perfectly. Do you see this? I know you do. All right, I know you freaking do. So, deep retrace zone after a huge impulse. Remember, this is how it all started. So, you got to think, is this thing going to keep running, or is it going to eventually sell off and start going back with its initial impulse, which was a huge move down? Good question. Back outside of the channel for the most part, but it looks like impulse up and downsloping consolidation. Yeah, you could be setting over higher price. I don't really see any formal structure or pattern in development. Maybe. Hold on. Let's see here. See what do you do with the wick, man? It's like there's another wick right here. Seems more likely like that. Is it? It looks like more like a channel. Yeah. No. Holy crap, dude! Are you kidding me? Okay. I was wrong. I was wrong, dude. So 2 down sloping converging trend lines, whether you want to call it a wedge or not, have at it, man. Have at it, or calling it whatever you want. You call it a I like turtles, rainbows pattern. It doesn't matter, but this is normally this is a form of consolidation that normally yields you higher prices, and especially the fact that we bounced off the 200-day moving average right here. We're now bouncing off the 200 moving average on the 4-hour. Kind of a little double bottom, but not really. See, you can't get it back. Look, you're below the moving averages right now, the 20 and the 50. That's the problem. All right, so though it looks so enticing and promising, I just don't know, man. Let's see, you got lower lows. Yeah, you on the 4-hour, you did have low, lower low, then the same low. You had Class A bullish divergence into Class B bullish divergence, so not bad there. RSI, yeah, RSI had a little bit of bullish divergence. So maybe, man, but and the thing is, well, look at this support, strong support we're holding above right now on AGI. Maybe, dude. It might be worth a low risk high reward opportunity, right? Where we just talk about, hey man, just thinking about it simply here. All right, you don't want to fall below the 200 moving average. You don't want to fall below that really strong support structure you're holding right now. Okay, and then you could just do a good fib here real quick. Let me show you. Probably just fib from the high point to low point, high to low. If that's the case, man, you want to look for a minimum target around 50%. And again, you can make it as tight or as loose as you want. You have some wiggle room. So 4-to-1 reward to risk for a 50% retrace from the high point to low point. Okay, and then we could also look at 618, 15. So 1452 is that 50%, and then 1504 is the second target, right? So you just set it up like this. If it was to play out, either way, it's low risk, lower risk, potential high reward. And that's what it's about, right? That would be 5-to-1 reward to risk. So strong support above the 200 moving average, bounce off the 200-day moving average, and possibly wedging. If it fails, who cares? You didn't lose barely anything, okay? Compared to what you could have gained on a break to the upside in this trend that has been quite bullish since, again, September. You trying to fight the trend, man? Go ahead. Holy crap. Anyway, dang, we just went pretty deep into that one, man. Okay, hey, something kind of similar. Interestingly enough, we're going to look at EOS to BTC. I made an executive decision because we had 3 different pairs requested. Just can't do it, man. It's like, what do you want me to do, man? No, just lose, man. Just lose. Okay, I'll lose. Picking one. hey, here was a trade setup, a fantastic, beautiful, successful trade setup for the patrons. Symmetrical triangle, broke to the upside, we hit the windfall. Sometimes it happens, right? You sometimes just keep on mooning, man. And we ran up. Where did we hit? We hit from your major discernible daily swing high to low. We hit a 38% retrace before selling off. Even got outside of that crazy structure we were in, that channel. But here's my argument, all right?
Is that a joint?
Thanks for the lesson, Mon. Smoke him if you got him.
Dude, seriously, man. 1941, man. Gavin, man. Thanks, dude. Greg Morgan for the 420 contribution, dude. Much love. Much freaking love. Oh, and by the way, man, thanks so much, everyone, for contributing their comments on the static video today. I don't know what it's up to now. I'm about to look and give you a number. But, dude, y'all are absolutely unreal. Incredible. Okay. 79 comments on today's static video. That is an all-time high. That is a record. You shattered the record. The record was broken yesterday, and we had 55 comments on the cryptocurrency, my top 5 altcoins, right? Whatever. 55 comments, and today was 79 and still growing. The more comments you leave, the more the YouTube, Google algorithms are going to be on our side to see us grow, man. And I'm doing those static videos because it's the only way to grow. There's no other way to grow. We learned that the hard way, all right? So we literally pulled a handicap on ourselves. Look out, other YouTubers. We're playing the game now. All right. Thanks, dude, Greg. Anyway, so, you know, maybe falling wedge, whatever. You broke out of, you don't really, just kind of got out and you're back testing it. Holding support. This is really why I'm intrigued by this one. I like it a lot. It's just because we're holding some really strong support. It's looking like we broke all this. You know, we're falling back into this one, but dude, you've got support here. So why not take advantage of the back test after a tremendous run? Okay. You're holding, dude. You're holding. So a measured move of this pattern will put you way back up to the 382. EOS may not be done running. And we talked about the video. Why is it not done running? Because, dude, we're holding some... Dude, this was the crazy resistance, man. This is like, how are you ever going to break this? You did. And you're now... You fell out. You're back in it and you're holding. If you can stay above this long enough, man, there is not really much strong resistance until 13,118 or the 50% retrace at 12,631, dude. Seriously, man. There's just not much resistance on the way up. It's all Rudy Poo, Twig and Thatch on the way up. Okay. That's why EOS may not be done. Altcoin spraying. Okay, dude. EOS kings. Potentially. Well, we already are kings, but we could become kings of multiple countries or something. We could become emperors or something. Emperors. Dude, I don't even know, man. Sub MK, dude. Alright. Charlie Bernard? No, dude. I don't think so, man. Control and manipulation at the same time. Prosperity. Hold on. Let me do this, man. I did it, man. Oh my god.
Is that a joint?
Denim Melissa. I left field. Is it inappropriate to call you Dones 420 now? I accidentally gave you a nickname by messing up on my wording. Let me know if it's cool with you, dude. Alright. Thanks, Dana Melissa. The Iowa Jesus peoples. Keep working on those bridges. Keep working on the Hawkeyes. And keep working on the flooding, because there's tons of it coming for you. Seasonal. It's like crazy record stuff. So it's like y'all are getting some of the worst torrential downpours, in the country this season. So up there in the Midwest. Ow. Dude, Keith, currency, I don't know, man. We've literally had almost every single crypto, every single pair of crypto, and every time scale requested tonight, dude. So I don't know what Litcoin looks like, man. I could write it down, but it's just going to be like, okay, I'm just going to write down everything. Oh, God, John Wick, man. I'm just behind on chat, I think, man. I don't even know if we're at the point where I was talking about wearing an Elon mask. Okay. Dude, Restream sucks, man. It just keeps just freezing. Okay. Okay, I guess we're just going to CND. All right, you got my argument on EOS, dude. We're holding support for now. As long as you can stay above this critical support horizontal line, that's 8,964. If you can stay above that, man, long enough, dude, sellers are going to be like, we can't do this, man. We cannot get, we can't muster enough selling pressure to break us back below this old resistance, now support. We can't do it. We're done, dude. We're going to take a break and let the buyers take back over, and it's going to run to the next resistance, which, you know, probably the next resistance is going to be the measure move of the pattern or the 382. I don't know what we're going to do up there, but you would think looking left, man, there's just not much resistance on the way back up to the 50%. Okay, up here. That's it, dude. There you go. 13,000 around the dot. Okay. CND. Now, this one's all off because I was doing something on the daily, then I was looking at the 4 hour. Hold on, dude. Let me go to the daily real quick. Probably look better that way. There we go, dude. All right, we're still just holding on, man. We're holding on, dude. All right, we took a breakout buy, but it's just not playing out the way we want it to. We just got completely rejected. But we bounced off the 20-day moving average, and look, we just had a golden cross. Golden cross really occurred March 6th. You know, I mean, really just was stuck together. But a nice breakout of this triangle, and you know, that really higher low double bottom, Adam and Eve. And we think if we're lucky, if things play in our favor of the breakout, it just doesn't scrub out like a lot of scrubs can, like, you know, just fake out and sell off. High point to low point, you're looking for at least the 382, which is the beginning of the golden zone. So it's not, it is not unnatural to believe the 382 would get hit in sometime in the future, man. This is, we broke it down slipping structure. We had been in forever, man, forever, like a year or more. Okay, this is not crazy, man. It's only crazy to people that are just, that got wrecked, that never knew how to read charts before the Great FOMO. Okay, those people, they may not understand it, but when momentum shifts, it shifts. Selling pressure doesn't last forever, dude, unless bankruptcy. But these coins, hey, BitConnect still exists somewhere. You could still try to buy BitConnect. It still works, I think, right? So if BitConnect still exists, these things are still going to exist for a little bit longer, all right? So anyway, just the theory is, it's really just technical analysis showing us we had bullish divergence on this low and lower low, on the technical higher low than the previous low. And yeah, we broke to the upside, and now we're just looking for a target that is quite reasonable and actually pretty modest. Okay, modest target, because the golden zone starts at 626 and it runs to 891, the golden retrace, 618. CND, man. Okay, great. I typed C but fat fingered CX, and it made me think about the CX network, which is now pretty much done. They're like it's over. Like, and remember that one guy on CX network? He got a face tattoo, CX, right here. Boy, I bet he's got to feel dumb. He also lost his teeth too. I tell you, man. Just go to it, man. This is the way I had it, and it's, I don't even know, dude. I had it like that, and we dumped. We had this bottom, right? We had a historical uptrend, right? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, right? And you're just holding, right? You know there's some sort of support here, right? Holding you up. We V'd, right? We had that nice recovery, but still, unfortunately, things like other banks too, you're just making those lower highs in your previous highs. But hey, man, that's like some sort of broadening top pattern, right? Holy crap. Let's make it to where we can really see this in the weekly.
Is that a joint?
You're amazing. Thanks for everything. Glad to see this channel grow. Someone please meme Mitch and Bernard. I always ask for the same coins but always learn something. Analysis of AGI. Can you look at my poop put of BTC coin? Thanks, Kings.
What was that? AGI? We just looked at AGI, man. What? We looked at AGI, man. Do we need to look? Do you want to look at it again, dude? Okay, we'll just do some random education or something, some scuffed education. Okay, man. Thank you, dude, for the 420 as that joint contribution, dude. Super Kangage, man. Ah, oh, lightning. Scary. It's been so wet, too. Not to be rude or impolite, but that's, if we're talking about The Office, that's definitely what she said. It's y'all's fault for bringing it up. Broadening top. Definitely to some degree. That's a beautiful looking broadening top, man. Okay, you're at the very bottom of it, so huge sell-off, right? Huge sell-off. Just hitting the bottom of that potential structure. Impulse up, and then you create a pattern development. Okay, so this is normally a bullish continuation pattern, but it's not set in stone that it couldn't be a bearish reversal. Okay, lower high than previous high. Let's fib it real quick. All right, well, we already fibbed from this high. Let me see. Hold on. No, we okay, we hit the set right around that 786 before we should. Okay, yeah, this is not relevant to us right now. But what is relevant to us, we've got a couple fib areas. So previous high to low, candle close. We had the 618. We had the 618, and we pretty much were like 3 times, 1, 2, 3 failed to break above not only the 618 but also the 200-day moving average. Some coinciding variables, really tough resistance to break. Also, what else? You know, that channel we had, we messed with it. We ran up, we had the heart line of it and failed to break that too. Dude, that is overwhelming resistance. Okay, man. See how well it is. Not really that well respected. I guess the 25% trend line, I guess we get resistance, some support, and I guess we had some support, ran up, dumped. I mean, definitely rejecting that 25% trend line too. Okay, so I mean, measure move just the widest areas of the pattern, like that. So if you somehow, some way, were able to get out, you just extend this pattern out, and if that didn't work, then there you go, man. That's your breakout of this pattern. That's how you do it, the widest areas of the broadening top. Seems like if you're making consecutive lower highs, could be breaking the downside. Look at that, man. The downside, the breakout measure moves literally right. I don't know how that happened. Just literally right at it, right at that crazy historical uptrend, or that trend line that is upsloping. You know, started February 2009, October 2011, June 2012, right, and started getting froggy, started falling out, false breakouts, but made it back every time. Okay, so that's city, dude. Crazy bearish divergence going on the daily. There was anyway, right, before the sell-off. Geez, on both oscillators too, dude. Yeah, dude, that's not good, man. All right, that kind of stuff right there is very, very bad. Okay. Is that a joint?
Code BTC. Great job on AGI. I fat fingered that tip. That is what she said, Kings.
Now I know you are Mitch Ray. Get wrecked. You have now doxed yourself as me, dude. What? Is it really fake tips, man? Thanks, dude, for the 420 Elon Musks in jars. Well, in the one jar. Where you get it? Oh, boy. Yeah, Poe, man. Poe. Definitely looking Poe for show, dude. Let me show you this, man. All right? It looks pretty nice, though. It's beautiful. Is that not pretty? Anyone? Does that not look beautiful? Rising wedge, impulse down, rising wedge. Here we are, dude. Huge impulse up, still within the parameters of this pattern. We run up a little more, whatever, dude. But we went from a high to low, and so far, we're looking to touch that 50% retrace, 137 sats. All right, about 40% through the development of this pattern, maybe 50, getting there, close, right? So you would expect the move to be the downside, but right, look, man, there's support, resistance. So if you're not looking at it in any other way, hey, maybe this thing keeps running on up, and then eventually we hit 163 sats. I don't know, but I mean, this is not a bullish pattern. You have price contraction, you have 2 trend lines that are upsloping and converging, which is most of the time bearish. Please show up on the daily. Okay, good. And it looks very real on the daily, right? That pattern still exists on the daily. And the 200-day moving average 145, so we're still pretty far away from it. It's not like a lot of these like metal and I think CND and maybe ADA and a few others that like they had not touched the 200-day moving average for like over a year, and now they're touching it for the first time. Wow. This one's still kind of far away from the 200, all right? So I get it, though. I get it. People be like, what? Is that some sort of crazy double bottom? Maybe, man. Maybe it's crazy double bottom, but you're forming this particular pattern. Oh, man. So a high, and now we've got a higher high. Now the positive momentum could continue building, and it could invalidate any form of bearish divergence, clearly, of course. But for now, I mean, it's... And the volume's building, right? The volume's building on higher prices, so that's a bullish symbol. That's a bullish sign. You know, it's not bearish. Bearish when you're higher highs on lower volume. This is higher volume. So we have some contradicting variables here, which makes it a lot tougher, right? So we're like, is it a double bottom? Because you hit a support and you bounced, but you're forming a rising wedge, but you've got maybe some bearish divergence on the MACD daily, but then you've got elevated levels of volume, right? And so it's like, not an ideal setup because there's so many mixed signals here. One would not want to be messing with it. I mean, hey, go ahead, take your gamble all you want, dude, but normally you want the stars to align, not freak out one side, take the side or another side, right? So Poe for show. A lot of contradicting variables here, okay? And we just listed them out for you. Hey, just got a nice little 20-50 crossover, bullish crossover. That's good, I guess. Lagging indicator, but still below 200. All right, man. I wish I could help more. This just isn't ideal in terms of just like variables that we like using. Remember the mixing bowl? Talked about it in the static video that I've made it. Really, if you come to my channel now as a new sub or whatever, that video is going to autoplay, right? So that is the video that will play, and you will get educated whether you like it or not, unless you hit stop or exit the channel, whatever. You get it. Whew. Yeah, I can't look. Yeah, pretty deep, Mr. Becky. Thanks, CC. Appreciate it, man. 888 comments on episode 420. That's quite the goal. But one can dream, right? Illegal fireworks from Mexico, dude. What are they called? Let me pull it up and pull up the quote, all right? You're gonna stand there on a fireworks stand and tell me you don't have no whistling bungholes, no spleen splitters, whisker biscuits, honky lighters, Husker do's, Husker don'ts, cherry bombs, Nipsey daisies, with or without a scooter stick, or one single whistling kitty chaser? Okay. Don't bring up illegal fireworks, Coin Links, man. Because if you do, you're gonna have to answer to that, all right? Rudy Poo Twig and Thatch, yeah, I know, King Logan, man. Rudy Poo came from this. Has anyone heard of Paul Feinbaum? Okay, it's a college football thing. Okay, it's like a huge radio broadcast. Whew. So Seth, dude, you're not the Seth though. Okay, you're just Seth, which is fine, and we love you the same. But we have Vet Moonboy Seth, who is King, the top Jesus man. Whole turkey spam was subbing. What? Turkey names? Oh my god. Dude, this is tough, man. This is tough managing. Alright, there's so many coins requested tonight. What's up, Mobius, dude? Florence, Alabama King, dude. CX tattoo wrecked? Yeah, dude. Seriously got wrecked, man. Man. And then there were like all those other scuffed streamers. Well, they were all leeches. They didn't have their own following. They just went to Ice's house and were like, hey, I want to stream, but I don't have a following. So they were thrown to the wolves. And now what do? Jeez. What's up, Brandon Green? Crypto Face, hello. Duns 420. His butt and lungs taking off now. He's got to catch up to him. Does that mean you're...
Is that a joint?
Duns, did you hear about the Iowa government? They said
marijuana's bad.
Where is Rimlog when we need him? 4-strength, 4-stem leather belt. Blonde busting up. What you talking about, King Logan, dude? Ronald Jinkies. Really? Ronald Jinkies, man. Oh my god, dude. I played Ronald Jinkies covers in my stream when I'm DJing WRAY 88.8, or if you're on FM 589. Is Iconic's about to rise? I don't know, dude. The last time we were looking at it, got wrecked, dude. Oh, dude, I don't know, man. What is it doing? I go look at the daily. No, it's just all messed up, dude. Something happened to my icon chart, Michael. I don't know what happened, dude. Holy crap. Is it about to break the upside, dude? Dude, I'm telling you, icon. Just look at the trend, and that should tell you, dude. That should tell you. I mean, I think maybe we broke something, but dude. Hold on. Oh my god, man. Not a bad looking structure, I guess. Here's the thing, man, and I don't really. I need to talk to you about Iconics and its scrubbiness. Okay, so I'm looking at, man, right? You just got 1 and 2 and 3 on the bottom, and then just 1 on the top of the wick. But then you got this wick, but then you got this weird green candle. It doesn't make any sense on the touch points. If you move it, it looks wonderful here. It looks fine. Heartline, 25, right? And you got out, and you're still out, and you don't have a golden cross yet on the daily. But dude, this is what's concerning to me. Okay, very, very concerning to me, MK. A breakaway gap. I mean, nice, huge bear flag, right? The phantom. Oh my god. I mean, dude, I don't. So where are we again? Oh, look, dude. Are we? We are below a historical support from 1999, 2000, and 2003. We are using it probably as resistance now. That's where we bounced up, right? So, nah, man. You're like all-time lows, and you can't break above a historical old support, now resistance. You hit it and dumped. So, dude, I don't know, man. Like, talking about any kind of long position in a particular trend like this seems like extreme folly. I'm not one to try to play the bottom of these particular situations. This is so ugly, dude. Super ugly. Jeez. Let me grab it. Okay. Now what are we going to do? What are we going to do, Chad? So we're going to go from icon on the stock market to icon on the crypto market. Never been done before. History has just now been made. Icon to icon. Market to market. A lot better looking stuff over here, even though not really, right? Same type of crap, right? Huge selling. Oh, dude, icon, man, you just don't understand. Well, dude, they went and ICO'd because they had a working product and they needed more capital to expand so they could create more products to sell to more people so they could make more money. That is the biggest kappa ever. That is not the case at all. They didn't really have a working product. They're just a white paper. Look at the price pumped up and the great FOMO. Insiders who were in on ICX before it ICO'd, they got out, and then everyone else FOMOing. Oh my God, man, we're going to retire by the age of 10 years old. They all got in and we dumped and dumped and dumped. Okay, but there is hope in the short term. We were discussing this. We have been discussing this every time we look at it. Yeah, we were getting exhausted. Falling wedge, downsloping channel, whatever you want to call it, where this was the heart line, that's fine. We broke it. We broke out from the high point to low point. We've hit the 50% retrace. Good for us, man. That's the golden zone. You're in the middle of the golden zone, and now you're just, you've created some sort of channel You're at the bottom of it. You're bouncing off the 200 moving average right there, confluent with this trend line that is upsloping that is white. No racist. Okay. And yeah, man, and really, I know we tried to make sense of it. It didn't make much, right? I think we had like a down sloping resistance right here. And we tried to break it, false breakout. And you can clearly see there is 38.2% retrace is a big resistance right now, 879 sats. So eventually, if we could break that 382, it's probably going to be smooth sailing up to 990 again and probably maybe double top. But hey, man, you've done it, man. Kicking wing. Kicking wing.
Kicking Wing tipped $23.58. Thank you, Jodred from Kicking Wing Snakes and Sparklers Fireworks Stand, because you taught me to sell the good stuff. We now sell titty coin as well. Kings.
Oh my god, dude. I wish I had more sound clips for this rant. I don't even know, man. How do you even, what would I even play in that? So, alright, Zachary, if you're watching, let's just get some sort of Joe Dirt sound clip, some random one, okay? Because I don't even know what to hit.
That boy is good.
There you go. That boy's good. Alright, I don't know anymore. Alright. Thanks for the 2358. The other to Jesus contribution, man. 2358, baby. Gangs.
Is that a joint?
Having fun tonight. Can we check out ADA BTC next? It's the next BTC. It was written in The Simpsons. We all know the Simpsons are the Illuminati.
Wait, I think we looked at Pay and we made a lot of fun of it last night. We made so much fun of it last night. I feel like Pay was super scared. Alright. I think we did the exact same analysis we kind of did on ICX right here, if I recall. Oh my god. What in the... Really? Could have sworn we looked at this one like yesterday, dude. Oh my god, super kangs, dude, super kangs. Yeah, dude. Look at Pay to BTC right after this, but dude, I don't know what to tell you, okay? Because it's like from that high point to low point, you've now hit areas where it's okay to sell off again. If your prevailing trend is super scrubby and bearish, yeah, you could just continue. You could start reversing and go down. But the good news is you're pivoting right now. You're holding. And you've not quite quit yet, but the problem is you keep making consecutive lower highs. A very, very small amount of bullish divergence. But again, the negative momentum could continue building if we keep selling off, right? And then it could get invalidated, right? But for now, we're just noting it, but just let it also be noted that negative momentum could keep building and we keep selling. That's it, man. All right. Looks like, you know, you're just in an uptrend right now and you're at the bottom trend line of the little uptrend. That's it. So those are more, that's kind of like lower risk areas for entries. All right. So best of luck. Maybe we can see some higher prices. We may not be done. All right. On ICX. 618 still there. 1,101. All right. So give me a second.
Is that a joint?
Marijuana's bad.
Oops. Forgot. I always have to hit it. Anyway, my bad. Dan and Melissa, oh my god, thanks so much for 2420. Times 2 now. Oh my god, Dan's 420. Yeah, Melissa. King and Queen. The Iowa King and Queen. Y'all are amazing. Thank y'all. This one, dude. This one, Pay. If you want to trigger me, just ask for Pay coin. Alright? Jeez. Dude, I don't even know how to, like, try to make sense of it. That doesn't, I mean, that kind of makes sense, I guess. Dude. Just give me a sec, alright? Okay, I get why you're asking for Pay, man. I know why now you're asking for Pay. Not too bad, man. Not too shabby, but just, dude, pay. Okay. It was going to change the world, dude. It was going to be Kings, man. It was going to be Kings. Oh, my God, dude. Let's run all the way up here. 359,956 sats. Somehow it was up there. Somehow. All right. And here we go. 174,000. 174,952. We're at 7,330 now. What a joke. All right. Best way I can look at this is what makes the most sense. It seems like there's a wick here, a touch point. It looks just kind of like you got some sort of falling wedge, right? But what do you know, the wick here, what do you want me to do with that? I can't do anything with that kind of volatility. So trying to make sense with traditional technical analysis on this S coin, man. I'm trying, man. I'm doing my best. It's just tough sometimes. Y'all are definitely testing me, all right? Let's see what we can make sense of here, all right? Jeez. No, that's terrible. Low on price, and then you actually made a lower low. What the? Dude, this is all messed up. So bullish convergence. What happened here? You had this huge spike in negative momentum, and then just randomly, as soon as you got back to neutral, you just pumped again. Like, it doesn't even make sense, man. It wasn't like there was divergence or anything. Now, I mean, this all you got is bullish convergence, all right? So you're just, which is okay, I guess. Whatever, man. Doesn't mean impending price action reverse low. Let's see, from this low to that low. Higher lows roll to strength. Higher low, or lower lows, negative momentum. Alright, just doing nothing, man. Staying below the 200-day moving average, right? Every time we touch it, right? We had not touched it really ever since May 17th. Every time you touch it, you catch the plague and you fall right below it, okay? So it's just, I don't know, it looks like a falling wedge. If you broke to the upside, you'd probably fib this way, okay? Probably high up here to low. If it ever did break out, and I don't know. Oops, if it did, on the breakout, you're looking for a couple targets. You're looking at 50%. And you're looking for the 618, man, okay? Oops. There you go, man. I'm trying, man. I'm trying, dude. These coins are tough. Mile high freedom, dude. You kill me, dude. Oh my God, man. Okay. Y'all just bear with me on these, okay? I'm trying not to get triggered. Made with fire. I gotta write that down, Luke Jones, though, man. Hold on. I've been saving so many trees. I used to do like, almost used to do it like 1 page per episode, but now I'm like cutting it down to where it's like this. Oh my God, all these episodes, right? All clumped in together. Oh, dude, you should look at it like when I'm finished. It's like this, dude. It's like a whole page, right? And then you like flip it, same thing. And then you like you open the page up and you go the other way. And it's like the same thing, dude. Saving trees, baby. It's really because I'm running out of printer paper and I don't feel like buying more. Oh my God, dude. Okay, what were we just doing, man? Are we gonna look at? Oh well, we have to do this. Your local on the very lates. Okay. Guess we can go back to Bitcoin once for a second, say hi to it, and then go on to something else. We probably need to look at ADA too and do the local on the 8s. That should be a thing, right? When we do the local on the 8s, and if we have something that is, you know, we'll do that, man. We're going to start that. It's going to become a thing right now. All right, we're going to ADA to BTC before BTC for the local on the 8s because it's a topic of discussion. Okay, man, ADA, not done. Even if we sell off, we back test 1383. This is swing trading, man. This could take a while. Okay, why could it take a while? Well, it's relevant to the amount of time it took us to finally get out of this scrub channel. All right. Been selling off forever. Okay, so it could take us a while to get to much greater targets. All right, so 382, we've hit it. Kangage. Not quite hit the measure move of the inverse head and shoulders. which is just above the 50% retrace, just reiteration of the previous analysis. Why do we think we're going higher? Because there's no real resistance at the 382 besides the 382, right? We know the next real formal area of resistance is at the 50%, 1725. That could at least be a projected target for ADA. But even after we sell off, if we sell off more, whatever, we still think that we could run up to at least where March 18th was. And this is like the anniversary of when we got banned for March Madness, dude. Back here, man. Y'all remember this? This little triangle, this area is when we had to start over on another channel. HOC Live, man. Boy, were they pissed. They were pissed because they were going to miss out on, yes, maybe 75 cents per video. Okay, 75 cents per video. They needed their ad revenue. Okay, HOC did. It's like nothing, dude. Okay, anyway. So we think the 50% 618 are still very likely to occur in the future. And we're talking like weeks, a couple weeks, a few weeks, maybe a month or two, right? It's just going to take time to get there. All right. But it could also happen faster than you think too. So it's hard to gauge the speed and the rate of which these things hit targets when they finally do break out. Okay. Hard to gauge. So that's just your reanalysis of ADA to BTC, the topic at hand for this evening. Kangs. Oh crap. Sorry. I have completely, I gotta look at some more. Look at some more chat. Sorry. Whew. The earth is fat. PHAT. Pretty hot and tempting. Miss Cantoma. You will get educated whether you like it or not, Zachary, man. Exactly, dude. I can't even believe myself sometimes. And there you go. Rick Schmidt's like fireworks with a PH because pretty hot and tempting fireworks. I'll take your word for it, dude. Dan Styles shooted the fireworks too, so it seems likely. Yep, fireworks. Awesome. Thank y'all for the 100 likes. Seriously. I'm just really behind, man. Whew. Now put the Icon song from Will Smith on. Son, yeah, dude. I don't want my stream taken down. But thanks, dude. Please clap. Joe Dirt. Man, super duper chopping, dude. Super chopping, man. Yeah, we can look at BTT in a minute, dude, alright? Put it on the list. It's born to bone, Blue Chance, dude. Okay, dude. Do I see Bitcoin going to a bull market in the middle of the year?
I don't know, sir.
Okay, speculative question. I can't give you a speculative answer, right? Holy crap. Okay, I think we're good, man. I think we're good. Okay, ADA. Let's do it, man. Let's do things. Alright, just real quick, man. Well, Bitcoin's doing nothing, okay? That's your local on the 8s. The most scuffed local on the 8s ever. Bitcoin not doing things. Alright. Let's just go to BTT to satiate and satisfy Tim. Okay. Gartley we Gartleyed. We hit near the target. We ran up. Believe it or not, man, this wick got us so freaking close to that 382. 23 sats. The target was at 23 sats. Oh my god, man. This is what I'm talking about. These scrub S coins. They don't hit target, but they did hit target at the same time. That's when you know it's for real. You can't even see it on my chart. Move it over a little bit. You see the stupid wick? There's the stupid wick. It hit 23 cents, but the 382 was 23 cents too. I don't get it, man. It's like whatever. So it's just been chopping, man. It's just been chopping around, still holding above the 786. We'd expect higher prices, but we're not really getting them right now, are we? No, we're not. Okay, dude. You'd expect higher price. That's it. There's your BTT. It's not done yet, but man, you better not fall below 18 sats. If you do, you better not fall below 17 sats because you know what's going to happen, right? You're probably, and I'm just going on a limb here, you're probably going to go to 16 sats and lower. God. We didn't do BTC. Yeah, we did. Did it earlier. Okay, and I did it. It was an analysis. You've done nothing. Okay, you're at 39.12. We started the show. You were at 39.15. Oh my God. Can't believe it, dude. Jeez. Hello? Okay. Is that it? Is that it, chat? Hour and 30 minutes live? I guess I've overstayed my welcome. Holy crap, man. Let's see. Oh boy, man. Hey, kind of played out though. XMR kind of played out, right? That bearish bat, right? Kind of played out. Where we had XABCD, 70% retrace. Was it the bat? No, it was the bearish Gartley, I believe. Whatever. It was a definitely, like I checked it. It was definitely a validated pattern. Anyway, we hit that area, dude. We were like a couple sats off, if anything, triple topped up there and sold off, man. And so you go from C to D, the low to high, and I guarantee you probably hit the 618. You're probably right at the 618 of this pattern, dude. Watch this. Let's see, dude. Are we gonna be kings here? We are kings. We are kings, dude. All right. I wish I could magnify all these fib nodes, but you can't. But dude, look, here where you are. The 200 moving average confluent with the 618, the second target of this pattern. We'll see if Bitcoin can do that, man. Again, Bitcoin would be 38.18. Come on, dude. Don't leave, y'all. Dude, y'all aren't even talking, man. I've done like, a bunch of coins, man. I'm just, how long you want me to stay, Sharuba, dude? It's just like, it's tough, dude. It's like team effort, man. Team effort. It's like you just get the feel of energy. It's like, hey, man, the feel of energy lately has just been like, well, I mean, things are waning. So it's like, what am I supposed to do? Okay, so that's it, man. XMR. All right, so guys, this has been a pretty good stream. We've looked at definitely a lot of assets. Been very effective. Been a good stream. All right, very fun. I hope y'all learned something tonight. If you did, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Maybe leave a comment. But when I do static videos, it's very important to leave static or those comments, because that is engagement, and that's how my sub count grows and all that stuff. All right, dude. When I do live streams, I don't get growth, no subs. But when I do live or static videos, man, different story. It's crazy, dude. It's crazy. I can't believe it, man. It's like, what? I only have to like do a video for 8 minutes and I grow, but then I do a 2-hour live stream and get no growth when I analyze 20, 50 coins, whatever, and then you analyze one coin. It's just, it doesn't even make sense to me. But it's like, I guess it's where you go back to working smart, not hard, I guess. I don't know. So it's not like I'm not going to live stream. So just flipping the script. All right. Okay. Let's do a little rundown real quick. Dan and Melissa, y'all are amazing. As always. Friggin' love y'all. Maha Freedom, dude. Kicking Wang. Probes. Jeff. Amazing, dude. Love you, man. Maha Freedom multiple times. I think that was, yeah, that's it. Thank y'all for the contributions. All right. Much love.
Is that a joint?
I'm having fun, don't leave me. Not sure, have we looked at mana?
I think we have. Thanks, dude, for the 420. Again, Maha Freedom, dude. Just racking up those marijuanases. Thanks, dude. Decentraland. Oh yeah, dude. This is the one we looked at and we said we could just wipe off this thing. Maybe. No, I think that was bat. Looking at this one, dude. Mana. Showing that down-sloping structure. Hold on. Down-sloping structure. You've been in anchor point 1 and 2 and 3, and then look, you hit this 25% trend line, had very, very nice bullish divergence while making slightly lower lows, maybe a little falling wedge action, and then we broke out. We ran to the upside, hit 50%, I believe maybe a 618, and now we're just running again. And you had a golden cross on Mana February 25th on the 4-hour. And so you just continue to run, but we know all we're doing, for the most part, is making lower highs. We get rid of this channel. We can see what happened really, right? We had ourselves a partial decline. If you're just looking at it without patterns, without falling wedges, without channels, keeping it simple, partial decline is when you're in some sort of rectangle, some range, where here's the range, the support zone, and resistance zone up here. When you fail to hit the bottom on the way, like you hit the top of the range and you sell off, you have to hit the top of the range before selling off. Remember that. You can't have like a move up and not hit it and then sell off and call it a partial decline. That is a rule and criteria of the partial decline. You hit the top, you sell off, and you get about 90% of the way, 88.6% of the way, maybe 95% of the way. You almost touch it and you fail. Those are a lot of times good entries because that's showing forms of accumulation and failure to hit the bottom again. Higher lows are normally really good in situations like this. If it's not some sort of bear pull, bear flag, this is not that situation. So, but yay, to boot, you had bullish divergence down there, and you had a slightly, you know, falling wedge, right? Okay, whatever. And so you're the upside, man. All right. So from that high point to low point, you're at the 786 now. Okay, really, the fib looked like this high to low. I mean, 50%. You're going for the 50% retrace again. Okay, so. You're just in the middle now. Is not really much opportunity here, I believe, because if you're looking at it like this, you're looking for low risk entries, high risk entries, low risk shorts, high risk shorts, right? If you're in the dead middle, what is that telling you? That's probably not the best idea to take a position, okay, until you get to one of those areas, whichever you're going to be doing, all right? Shorting or longing or shorting. Okay. That's right, William Battles, definitely that. Not drawn. That's definitely not the reason why, but sure thing, Eric Coffee, man. Good to see you, dude. Yeah, dude, let's go look at Turf, man. Let's look at Turf, dude. Okay. Sweet, man. So thank you, Maha Freedom, again. Just wanted to look back at Mana, range bound, partial decline, Kangage, and we'll see if we can get to the top, man. Let's see if we can get up to 1883. I don't know if we'll get there, man, but we very well might, because that's the way it's been going, right? I mean, you've just been tops and bottoms, tops and bottoms. Beautiful, man. All right. So thanks again, dudes. Thank everyone for watching tonight. I really appreciate y'all so much. Love y'all. One for y'all. I wouldn't be able to do this without your support, okay? I wouldn't be able to stream multiple times a day, now produce static videos for y'all. I just constantly keep trying to up the game, up the content, all right? So, until next time, respect the TA.
Please clap.